A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And I say this with excitement and a hint of pride. For I've already taken my maiden steps to finding my inner self. I still remember those days as a small little girl when my father would take me to the annual village fair. Holding on to candy in one arm and the other just tightly wrapped around his finger. Each sight I beheld was filled with absolute joy and excitement. My tiny little eyes blinded by twinkling lights. My ears drawn to that flute player in the distance, enthralling kids with his tunes. My senses full with the smell of candy floss and ice cream. Being served at the stall from across the main road, and my feet warm from the dust beneath it. I would just shudder every time the elephant trumpeted, blowing up a smoke of dust up into the air, tightening the grip around my father's finger and feeling my stomach roll from fear and joy at the sight of the mighty gentle beast. I would run to my father, and he would just swiftly pick me up in his arms and comfort me. It's been 11 long years since he passed away. And not once in these many long 11 years had I ever felt that similar sense of soothing comfort and warmth that I felt around him, while I felt butterflies in me. But today, I strangely feel him around. Blessing me with his presence, approving to go forth with this journey, for I'm treading into the unknown. Uncertain of the journey, uncertain of anything that lies ahead of me. But just like the little girl years ago that I was, Today, I am brimming with excitement and just grinning from ear to ear as I sit in this car en route to the villages. But as someone rightly said, it's a journey and not the destination that matters. So, let's enjoy the ride while it lasts. We will be starting our series with the village of Maangaokurt, a small village in Raigad district in the Konkan region of Maharashtra, India, with a population of around 250 people. Maharashtra, the second most populous state in India, occupies the western and central region. The state is divided into 6 divisions and 36 districts, with the city of Mumbai being the state capital and Nagpur serving as the winter capital. Here we are on the Yashwantrao Chavan Mumbai-Pune Expressway, which was commissioned to be opened for the public in the year 2002. It is also India's first 6-lane wide, concrete-laden, tolled expressway spanning a distance of 94.5 kilometers, connecting Mumbai with Pune, the cultural and educational capital of Maharashtra. The expressway begins from Kalamboli in Navi Mumbai and ends at Kivale in Pune, cleaving through the Sahyadri mountain ranges via passages and tunnels. This route is quite familiar, for I have often travelled to Pune. But today, this very familiar road seems to be taking me somewhere far away into the interiors of Maharashtra. To show me lands not seen before, to tell tales never heard before, to relish food not tasted before, and to meet eyes not known before. As I travel through unknown roads, Mother Nature seems to unravel her beauty with every passing mile. The lush green meadows, the contrast of the white lark against the grey clouds. The sound of the trickling blue stream disappearing into the forest. The wind caressing through my tresses, carrying the scent of freshly wet mud, symbolizing the union of heaven above and the earth below. And here we are, at the very first stop, the village of Maangaokurt, a village dominated by the Maratha community, a middle peasantry caste that forms the bulk of Maharashtrian society. As my car approached the village, my heart skipped a beat. For here, I was about to meet people, absolute strangers, waiting to greet me at the other end of the road. However, I knew that these village folks were about to teach me lessons of life that I would cherish forever. Without any further delay, I got out of the car and walked towards them. I was greeted by the village elderly, Nammubai Palve and Yashoda Palve, along with their fellow neighbors. Both the ladies welcomed me like their long-lost daughter, for the warmth of their hug and touch was simply enough to break the ice between us. I could sense the hushed excitement among whispering locals as I walked into their humble home. As a custom, Nammubai first offered me a glass of water to drink, a habit regular among most Indian homes. We Indians have a very unique sense of hospitality that has been appreciated all over the world. No, I am not talking about the regular way of greeting people with just a namaste, but that the people of this country abide by something known as Atithi Devo Bhava. In Sanskrit, literally translating as guest is equivalent to God. For the guests are requested to sit down and make themselves feel comfortable before offering them a glass of water to drink. Following which, they are presented with either a cup of hot tea or coffee or any beverage of their choice. This is something that comes spontaneously to most of us even today.